So now we're gonna be trying the cookies we made. I'll be reviewing the sad cookie.
I'm reviewing the Christmas tree.
And I'm gonna be reviewing this one.
Okay.
No!
A bit crunchy.
They're a little burnt.
Where did we go wrong? Okay. We also made these hot cocoa cookies. I don't know if they're gonna taste good or not. I'm kind of scared, but they don't look very good. I guess we'll just go for it.
They taste like brownies.
No, they don't.
Right, Rihanna? They taste like brownies.
Ew, the marshmallows. The marshmallows, they have a weird texture. How you just spit it out?
I like
I can't even spell. Are they actually bad?
Yeah.
I don't think they're that bad.
The marshmallows, they feel like you're eating like I don't
Sour
know,
from
like
peanuts?
like
That's the first thing I came to mind.
they feel like you're eating like I don't know, they're not good.
Alright.
Peace out.
Don't make these cookies at home, don't ever buy them. So, hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed our suffering.
See you later. Well.
Bye!